What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be cooking today a really simple stir fry recipe. Got just a few ingredients, something you can make in 5-10 minutes tops if you're real busy. So let's get right to work. So let's go over our ingredients really quick. This ingredient basically I use in a bunch of different recipes. It just makes life so much easier for me when I'm in a rush, because they're already pre-cooked. These are mozzarella and roasted garlic sausages. They sell these at Sam's Club, and they don't have any chemicals or any nitrates or anything like that. So I use these in quite a few of my ingredients. They're chicken, pretty good macros, only 9 grams of fat, and they have 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 16 grams of protein per link. So that's really good. I guess about 3 cups of broccoli here. I'm also using Rob's organic red mill flour, and this is about 8 grams, so it's equal to about 5 grams of carbs. If you're watching your carbs, don't use it. I use this as a roux to thicken up the stir fry sauce, basically. Another ingredient that I'm using is red chili flakes, and these come whole, and I just use a mortar and pestle to crush them. I feel like they taste fresher that way, but they're Thai chili flakes. Soy sauce. I'm using a half of red onion diced, and about 4 or 5 big cloves of finely minced garlic, fresh. If you guys are in a rush, you don't want to have to mince garlic, or you don't have it available, you can use powdered garlic. It's not going to be as good, but it's better than nothing, and also if you're trying to save time. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our aromatics over to our wok and start stir frying them. Okay, so in the hot wok we're going to drop, I use peanut oil, about 1 tablespoon. This is usually what I use for stir fry. It's a really good oil. It's got a high smoke point, and it doesn't leave a lot of flavor in your food, which is kind of what you want when you're stir frying. I'm going to drop the garlic and the onion. We are cooking here in high heat. Now I'm going to start dropping our broccoli, and I just break up the broccoli. And this is for speed. I just break them up a little. A little bit more oil. Now we're going to add some soy sauce. Lower the heat a little bit, down to a medium. I'm going to add the flour for a roux. Add a little bit more soy sauce to that now, and it will begin to thicken. sauce. Now we're gonna leave that there. I'm gonna chop our sausages up. I'm actually just gonna cut these into little wheels. And I'm just gonna add them in to our broccoli and stir fry. Now we're just gonna mix this all together. And this is the super quick way to make a stir fry in less than 10 minutes. I'll let that cook on high heat a little bit longer now. This is why they call it a stir fry. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of our crushed chili flakes. And if you don't like hot or spicy, you don't have to add these in. This is probably going to be quite hot because I added about a teaspoon in there. That's Thai chili. Now, depending on how you like your broccoli, you can let it go a little longer. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce around the edge of the wok to deglaze some of that sauce. And if you want the broccoli cooked a little more, you cook it a little more. This is how I like it. I like my vegetables with a little bit of bite. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this and let you guys know how it came out. Alright, so there it is, the final recipe. It looks beautiful. Came out cooked perfectly. Under 10 minutes, I would say I cooked this in. Really, really nice. I cut the time by not mixing, you know, the ingredients separate. I threw everything in under 10 minutes. So any of you guys could do this really easy, you know. All natural ingredients. You could do this with chicken, whatever you like. You saw how simple it was. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to try this stir fry. Let you guys know how it came out. I love the texture of well-cooked broccoli. Like, for me, well-cooked means a nice bite to it. And it's not like mushy. It's still got all the vibrant colors. I love broccoli like this. To me, it doesn't need a lot, but the addition of the garlic and the soy sauce and the smoky sausage just makes this such a good dish for... Guys, get yourself a nice big bag of broccoli. Keep it around. You saw this, couple of ingredients, and you're done. No reason to be eating bad food when you can make good food this simple.